Right, today we are going to remove the static NAT and we are going to go with dynamic NAT. I'll remove all the NAT configuration from the edge router. Let me go to edge router and find the one which we configured on the other day. Remove them all. Show run. I can see here. Remove the statement. No. And I paste it. If you would have done homework, then you may be removing 4 lines because you might have done 4 mappings like this. Alright, in my case it's only 1 line. I have removed static NAT. Now for dynamic NAT, what we need is a pool of address. How do we create a pool of address? IP NAT pool and give any name. I'd say ABC. And then what is the address, the beginning address? I would like to say 20005, ending address 20010. Or you can give just 2 address also, 5 and 6. Right? Oh, what's missing? Mask 255000. Is that the mask we have? No, we have 24 mask. So 255, 255, 2550. I have only 2 address in the pool. Means any first 2 inside computer will take these 2 address and go online, and the other 2 insiders have to wait till there is release. See, we have 4 inside computers, but our pool has got only 2 address. We have 4 inside. We have 4 inside computers, but what happened is 10.00.10 first came and it took 20.005 from the pool, and then 10.003 came and took 20.006 from the pool. Now is there any address left in the pool? No. So what happens when 10.001 and 10.004 comes? They are made to wait. Router cannot give any address now. There is no address to give. So router will say wait. And if it is a too long wait time, the timeout will happen and the session will not go through. The packet will get dropped. This is the problem with the dynamic NAT. If I have 1000 employees, can I have 1000 IP errors? No, not possible. Right, so let me show you the dynamic NAT configuration. We already created the pool, and I'm going to say access list. Why am I writing access list? We are in NAT topic. Why am I writing access list? We need access list. Why? To say who can use this pool. Access list, I'm going to say 10 permit the host, or I can also say the network, anyone this is wildcard mask. Anyone in 10 network can use the pool. But where we have said that, we are going to say it. We have who can use the pool and we have the pool. Who can use the pool? Anyone from 10 network. What do you have in the pool? 2 address. Now put them together, same like static NAT, the dynamic NAT command, IP NAT inside source. We are not going to say static. For static NAT we say static. But here we are going to say source is seen in the list. This is that list 10, access list 10. They are the source. Anyone coming from this source, if it is an IP packet coming from that source from inside, you remember we have already given IP NAT inside on G00 and IP NAT outside on G001. We have already given this. So now we say IP NAT source list 10 and use the pool ABC. How easy it is. Put the source and put the pool so that anyone from that source 10 can use the pool. Do you understand? Let us verify now. I'll go to this PC now and I try pinging 30001. I'm going to ping 30001. Before that, I would like to enable debug to see from which address the packets are coming. Debug IP packet. Now go ping. And go to this PC and see. The packet should come from one of the pool address. Look at this. It is coming from the first address of the pool, 20005. And the response is also going back to the destination 20005. Now let us go to the other computer, maybe 10004, and I'll ping 30001. And now let's go and check what address it is taking. It should take 6, the next address in the pool. Look at this. Yeah. Now already 2 addresses consumed. The other 2 guys cannot use the address. But now I can ping from the other computer because ping is a tiny packet. It might have finished the session. Now, show NAT translation. Show IP NAT translation. Look at this. When packet was coming from 10001, 20005 was given. When traffic was coming from 10004, the next address from the pool is given. So if 10002 and 10003 comes, when these 2 people are using, then the other 2 has to wait. Alright, that wait and all you will not be able to see in a small environment. In a large environment only you will see when thousands of packet goes. The delay will be there. Okay, now how do we solve this problem? By including port number, PAT. We call it as dynamic net overloading. Very simple. You know how to do that? I just add another word to this, overload. That's all. You need a pool. Even if the pool has got only one address, that is enough actually. And I say overload. Now what I should get is, when I ping from all these 4 computers, only one address will be used. The very first address from the pool will be used. For all 4, listen, I'm going to ping from here hyphen T, hey, ping. Okay, I'll put in the front hyphen T, and I'll shoot the ping packets from here. Ping hyphen T 30001. Hyphen T means, timelessly you ping. You keep on pinging until I stop. You keep pinging until I stop. That's the meaning of hyphen T. Timelessly. Ping hyphen T 30001. I'll also ping from here hyphen T. Now all these ping can go successfully, and also you will see only one address getting mapped for all of them. Alright, now if you go here, you will see the packets are coming from the same IP 20006. Now let me take you to the translation table. Earlier you see for 10.4 it was using 6 and 10.1 it was using 5, but this time for all it uses the same address 20006. For 10.3 also it used 20006. For 10.2 also it used 20006. For 10.4 also it used 20006. For 20.3 also it used 20006. This is what called as dynamic NAT overloading or port address translation PAT. Do you have any question?